Hello again. This is Ahchaad, and this is my 2011 bike check. To start off, I got the Hoffman Mantra frame. Got the Odyssey Air and Ross key grips. Odyssey plastic bar ends. The Eastern Wonder Years 90s bars. They're pretty big, but I'm 6'3", so it all works out. Got the DK Alpha stem with a kink headset integrated. Miraco M3 forks, and the Miraco front wheel, all sealed. Got the premium skull pivotal seat with just a chromoly pivotal seat post. Got it cut to about right there. Just save some weight, you know. Premium plastic pedals, the sealed ones. Primo power bike crank arms, 175 millimeters. Just a specialized Fuse 4 chain wheel, 28 tooth. Shadow interlock VT chain, silver. McNeil rear driver. Real nice sound, I think. 2 pegs. And yes, I run my pegs same size as my drive side. Got the Sun Rhino Light back rim. And Animal ASM tires. And on my front wheel, I have the Demolition Monaco tires. That about sums it up. Again, I'm Ahchaad, and this is my 2011 bike check.